Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. Students, if your syllabus is incomplete, if you have left a few chapters, first see that at least you have completed high weightage chapters. Still you can score a very good score in NEET 2025 examination. So very important concepts, that is the concepts which will be frequently repeated in NEET examination. Those concepts continuously you will have to revise at least 3 to 4 times so that you become thorough in those concepts. So in this video we will see important chapters and also the important concepts in those chapters. The first chapter is atomic structure. Revise these concepts: Hund's rule, Aufbau's principle, quantum number and Bohr's theory. So in this concepts there is high chance of getting questions in the NEET examination. Second is equilibrium. So from the equilibrium chapter usually numericals will be asked. So go through the numericals. The numericals will be very simple. So, and calculation of the pH. So at least example sums you can practice, and also on the buffer solution. So focus mainly on these concepts. Third is from chemical bonding. So chemical bonding is one of the high weightage chapters. You know that at least 3 to 4 questions will come from this chapter. Focus mainly on hybridization, dipole moment, then molecular orbital theory and VS EPR theory. So usually the shape of the molecule will be mainly asked from this chapters. So revise these concepts very well. Next, electrochemistry. So from electrochemistry usually numericals will be asked. So revise all the formula ones and also the example sums. So at least few sums you have to practice to get an idea. And then P block. So revise this chapter which is very important from NCERT. So go through NCERT completely, very simple chapter. So P block is very important. From this also you will get many questions. And then haloalkanes and haloarenes. So mainly from here preparation, every year at least one question you are going to get. So read the preparations of haloalkanes. And then chemical reactions, usually conversion reactions like A giving B, then B giving C. So in this type of conversion reactions you can see at least 2 questions will come from this chapter, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. And then coming to chemical kinetics, so even from chemical kinetics you can see 3 questions coming every year. So one of the high weightage chapters. So revise this chapter very well. So focus more on first order reaction and Arrhenius equation. At least one question every year comes from this concept, Arrhenius equation. And then coordination concept. So coordination compounds. So coordination compound mainly from isomerism and crystal field theory. So from these concepts. So students, many videos, tricks I have taught on this chapter. So I'll give you the link in the description, so you can go through. It is one of the very high weightage chapter. So go through this chapter very well. So you will get at least 3 questions from this. And then mole concept. So this is the basic chapter. You should know this chapter because it is the interlinking chapter for all the other chapters. So usually numericals will be asked from this chapter. Simple stoichiometric calculations will be asked. Empirical formula, molecular formula will be asked from this chapter. So usually from mole concept every year 2 to 3 questions will be asked. And then amines. So from amines chapter, go through the NCERT textbook very well. So at least 2 questions you will get from amines. And also biomolecules. So biomolecules also very simple chapter. Direct question will be asked from this chapter. So go through NCERT. And all the name reactions. So all the name reactions distinguished test you have to go through it. So continuously revise these chapters. So there is a high chances of getting again and again questions from these chapters. So students, and also I have started important question series. So go through this series. So it will be very helpful for your NEET examination. So keep preparing students. All the very best.